Even when I'm a mess, I still put on a vest with an S on my chest. Oh yes, I'm a superwoman. And after I realized that this song, it wasn't just for me, you know. It's for every mother, every woman, every daughter, every sister, every girl. Everyone who's ever felt the weight of the world on their shoulders. So I want to dedicate this song to all my super women here tonight. And all my supermen that can recognize a superwoman when they see one.